Welcome back, everybody. Happy Monday to you all. A little case of the Mondays with the weather not being so nice out there. Great Falls had some rain, good rain, earlier this morning and through the early part of the afternoon, but there you can see some clouds breaking up, and in the capital, some rain showers around the area. Nothing like the thunder that we saw and heard and the lightning that we saw yesterday afternoon and evening. Even some good hail up there on McDonald Pass. 62 degrees right now, not the warmest day, also pretty windy, but where we've got a little more in the way of warmth out in eastern Montana, fueling some of those thunderstorms, just like Sunday when a lot of the western part of the state was very warm up into the 70s, almost 80 degrees. That heat enabled those thunderstorms to pop in the afternoon. Now, I want to go back to this. This is the flood warning now, upgraded from an advisory. A warning means it's happening, it's worse. Here is 7 Mile Creek, 10 Mile Creek, Prickly Pear, and all of these waterways are looking at higher than normal water and will continue to do so here for maybe the next several weeks. Now, I want to take you up to the northeast part of the state. I know you're seeing nothing, and this is a great thing. The Milk River here, finally, all of the flood warnings have been allowed to expire for the Milk River. Progress here. There are some nasty storms, though, moving through the southeastern part of the state. You can see the radar actually picking up a couple of those severe thunderstorms. But around Great Falls and the capital, that back edge of the rain now really beginning to diminish. Still, there's a rogue thunderstorm moving right along Interstate 15 just east of Conrad there. And then also a couple of big storms here to the southeast of the Bear Paws over the Little Rockies. And also a couple of showers coming down from the Cypress Hills that could cross the Canadian border. But check this out. Remember Little Rockies? Remember the July fire? Now we even have to start thinking about debris flow, mud flow here because of the burn scar and some very heavy rain around that area right now. And then through the southeastern part of the state, these are some nasty storms. I was mentioning last week how as we go through the month of May, the thunderstorm activity increases. And yeah, look at all those lightning strikes moving through the southeastern part of the state. The big picture, well, it's probably the biggest storm in the country right now, moving through Montana and eventually heading out into the Dakotas. So overnight tonight, still maybe a couple of showers and thunderstorms here, but really the highest concentration is in the southeastern part of the state. This low will slowly move out tonight, and for tomorrow there may be again a stray isolated shower or storm up here along the high line, but for the most part it's a much drier day with more sunshine and warmer temperatures. Briefly, because here comes yet another storm system moving in on Wednesday with some showers and thunderstorms likely. How much precipitation? This is key to the flooding here, and as we go all the way through Saturday, it does look like there's a chance for maybe a ½ inch to as much as an inch of rain in some locations, so that will complicate the flooding situation. Here's the lows for tonight. A mild night, 40s to right around 50 degrees. Still a little stormy in the eastern part of the state, maybe a shower around the Lewistown area. For the most part around the capital, we should be dry tonight. We should be dry for tomorrow as well here off of the Rocky Mountain front. 60s and 70s. There we go. A couple of isolated showers and storms. There still will be some sun up here around Havre, out through Harlem. Maybe a storm in the afternoon around Glasgow. Around the Lewistown area, we will be dry, and a beautiful day near the capital with highs in the 60s and the 70s. Wednesday, not so nice. Thursday, we're kind of in between storms. Friday is a rainy day with highs only in the 50s. But I said, what a weekend. Look at that. Clearing Saturday. Sunday, very nice and 76. And for Great Falls, should be a nice day tomorrow. Some storms Wednesday, Thursday, Friday before a nice weekend, maybe some 80s next week.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Coming up next on the news at 5, our own Mike Dennison tells us about the 5 initiatives that are trying to qualify for the upcoming November election.